So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So let's do an in-depth analysis on what we'll be expecting for the day. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on every single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, if you take a look at this movement right here on our gold, you can see that gold is what? Trending to the downside. So very, very much we are bearish on gold. Gold is on a bearish move. It is giving us a bearish movement, right? Now, let's start with our daily time frame, guys. 36. This is, if I'm not wrong, a good 8 days straight, right? Between 8 to 9 days straight, market has actually was bearish. So this is about close to about 2 weeks, right? Straight. About more than 1 week back to back, right? Market has given us a bearish move. Basically, market has been dropping. There is a massive sell on going on gold. If you zoom in to your forward time frame, and we will start from here for quick analysis. You see this to be our lower low, and this is our lower high. This can also be seen as our lower low. There is the lower high. This is seen as the lower low. Guess what? This is now the lower high. You can see that this lower high has started our 10-period simple move. That lower high market eventually dropped, and guess what? It formed a lower low that took out this previous low. So with such a movement, we should expect the market to give us a pullback, which is a lower high, or it gives us one more drop down. So this is to tell you bearish move is what we're expecting. We should be expecting a sell on. Now, this moment right here, expect your pullback to finish playing out for one more drop, eventually play out on. I will eventually take out this previous low game for me. So guys, a bearish move for the day is what we'll be expecting. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I did your let you guys to know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out. It's like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram comment section.